IAB is very proud to host one of the stops of the job market tour organized by the European Association of Labour Economists. This job market tour gives 3 young outstanding scholars the opportunity to present their work, to exchange ideas, to get to know different places and to get to know IAB.
What I love about the EALE Tour is it's a great opportunity to meet with researchers that are working in European labour markets, and especially on labour market policies, education, which are a topic I'm very interested in. It's also a way to share my work with people working at the intersection between policy making, data and also research that I think is super interesting for me.
So the IAB has a unique data portfolio for studying the German labour market, and we at the IAB have the privilege to work with social data, which are an outstanding microdata source allowing us to trace the employment history of individuals back to 1975. And the IAB's policy is to also enable data access for the international research community for conducting high quality research of the German labour market. And at the Reasearch Data Centre, we have nearly 2 decades of experience providing data services to external researchers.
The EALE Job Market Tour is a great opportunity for us as young researchers to go visit departments in Europe and connect with labour economists. 2 days ago we were in Amsterdam, now we're very pleased to be in Nuremberg, and 2 days we're in Milan again. It's been really great to present our papers, get to know the researchers, and also a very informal setting. Start getting some feedback, start thinking about new research ideas. In particular for me, I'll be moving to Germany after the job market, so it's been great to already get to know and build a network with German economists working on labour market questions and start thinking about the data and what we can do with these kind of topics.
For economists, it's important to publish our work in scientific peer-reviewed journals. The process of peer reviewing is highly objective and anonymous. But still, it can make a slight difference to know somebody in person, to know who has written the respective paper. EALE provides us with a great opportunity to meet people and to create networks.
IAB has a very large network of national and international researchers and is keen to expand it. Our researchers can spend research visits abroad, and we are happy to host guest researchers coming to IAB.